Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this new video, I'm going to be sharing 3 quick and simple Dollar Tree Valentine's DIYs. I hope you guys enjoy and let's get started. Someone said your name had to turn around. For the first DIY, very simple, I just added a piece of floral foam and I'm going to be filling it up with some heart candies. Skip the small talk, cause you know me better than I know myself. Oh, mine's been a while now since I saw you, but it feels like yesterday. I'm going to be adding some roses and lamb ears. Nothing's changed, we're the same, and we skip the small talk, cause you know me, yeah, you know me like nobody else. I wanted to escape for a while. I called a couple of friends and we went out, but I never thought I'd see your face. I really wanted to escape, but it was just too late. Someone said your name had to turn around. Suddenly you're there standing in the crowd. Everything comes back in the blink of an eye. It's like you're mine, you're still mine. We skip the small talk, cause you know me better than I know myself. Oh, mine's been a while now since I saw you, but it feels like yesterday somehow. For the second DIY, I started off by hot gluing 3 of these paper boxes I got from the Dollar Tree. Cause you know me, yeah, you know me like nobody else. Get the small talk. With some hot glue, I'm going to be adding this white velvet ribbon. Skip the small talk. It's been a while now. To add some detail, I'm going to be adding some twine ribbons and as well as the wooden hearts. It's been a while now since I saw you, but it feels like yesterday somehow. Time has stopped, nothing's changed, we're the same, and we skip the small talk, cause you know me, yeah, you know me like nobody else. Now I'm going to be adding the greenery and the roses, and once I'm done doing that, I'm going to be adding some Hershey Kisses on the bottom. We're lighting up the sky, it's what we do. We shouldn't care about anyone or anything that brings us down. So come on now, let's be free, just be yourself. Keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like to do, do what you like, do what you like, do what you like to do. Ain't no one stopping you. Try to express yourself in your own way, and we could have some fun. No problems coming in our way. I would like you just the way you are. You would like me just the way I am. For the last and final DIY, I'm going to be cutting apart this pink handbag I found at the Dollar Tree.
and I'm going to be using it so I could be able to cover this empty formula can I had. You can always use an empty coffee container. I think that would work perfect. And as you can tell, I'm just cutting it apart so I could be able to hot glue it onto the can. To give it some detail, I'm going to be adding some burlap on the center as well as a burlap bow.
Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like to do, do what you like, do what you like to do, what you like to do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like to do, do what you like, do what you like to, what you like to do. Meet me with a middle scroll by the water hole. Lucid dreams of you and me. Sky high, busy life I wanna live. Oh, muscle tight, early light, cleanse down jaw. Say my name or say it twice. Shed this layer of overthinking.
Okay guys, so this is the finishing look. I hope y'all enjoyed this video and also got great ideas. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, I would appreciate it if you hit the subscribe button. Also, comment down below and let me know which one was your favorite. I would love to know. With all of that said, I hope y'all have a great day, stay safe, and God bless.
Me and cleanse me, the wicked